on today's episode of BoosCruize.
Hi, I'm Jarrell.
And I'm David.
I am 34 years old.
What they perceive to be a looming shortage of ventilators. That's what the president has achieved. 46 million tests have been conducted in this country. We're now testing whether or not somebody actually has the virus.
This is not something that you want to be playing with, all right? This stuff is...
It can cause serious illness.
Now I feel like I can kind of function because I am having coffee. Jarrell's back here. Say hi, babe.
Hello, hi.
He is back there with the news and games and things like that. But I wanted to show you guys a little bit more of the daily morning routine. Coffee is life, but also I wanted to introduce you guys to some products that I use called Equip. Let me just show you these. So this is apple cider vinegar supplements. Now Equip has a ton of different supplements. They have protein powder, they have an immunity booster, which I'm actually going to start taking because with everything going on, it just seems really important and like the best time to kind of start something like that. But ACV or apple cider vinegar is something that I have been taking for a long time. Not just for keto, but just the health benefits are insane. Yes, it helps you metabolize carbohydrates, but it also is great for digestion. It regulates blood sugar and things like that. Like, you can take it as a shot. I mean, not this as a shot. Obviously, if there's a pill, you can't take a shot as a pill. You can take straight apple cider vinegar. It's not my favorite thing in the morning, and I worry about my teeth. So I don't do that as often, though I have, and I will in a pinch. But these are amazing. And what's also great about these is these are, don't have a lot of sugar in them. You would be shocked how many pills have sugar in them. And they will kick you right out of ketosis. I would rather eat my carbs rather than take them, and they're such clean ingredients. I really stand behind this company. If you look down below in the description box, they also have a discount code for us, because if I'm taking them and I'm showing them to you guys, we want you to get a discount on them. Someone is literally mowing their lawn. Guys, I should just like have a video reel of all the crazy things that people do while I am filming. YouTubers, it's like the plight of our life. Anyway, just so you know, this is apple cider vinegar powder, 500 milligrams, cayenne red pepper, 20 milligrams, and black pepper, 5 milligrams, which are all great for metabolism and things like that. So this is a part of my morning. Go check out Equip. Babe, you're supposed to say hi. It's supposed to be a full day keto eating. He's a little rinsing. This is our morning. This is the morning with the booze. Uncut, unfiltered.
Is that what it is?
Yeah. Alright, you guys, so it is 2:25. We're going to get started on a little bit of brunch. This is going to be the first time we really eat today, except for coffee. These are sausage patties. We have the frozen ones, but we're out of them. So, you know, we got that hot sausage at Walmart. And I like to make them, I don't like tiny little sausage patties. I like, you know, a sausage patty that you can get into. So, we're going to have 4 of these, and we're going to each eat one, obviously. And then we're going to do it with some French toast. So this is the keto white bread. This is 1 net carb per slice. And then this is a custard. In that custard is 1 egg, some heavy cream, pumpkin pie spice, and some maple. And we're also going to do it with a couple of slices of bacon that I've already pre-cooked. So, yeah. I'll show you the plate when it's all done.
Hey, everybody.
Brunchy, dinnery, whatever is served. Oh, $2.50. Yeah, so...
How long does this take you?
Oh, like, no time at all. But you know, I was sitting here doing other stuff. So, this is keto French toast, 1 sausage patty, and a thing of bacon, because we only had 2 left. So that's about 1, 2, 3, 4... I would say about 5 net carbs.
Not bad at all.
No.
Not bad for a healthy, tasty meal.
I know. Oh, that French toast.
Mm-hmm. Very good.
It's good, right?
Good.
So, guys,
Like normal French toast.
one of the things about French toast that I didn't used to like is that people didn't make a custard. Like, you need to add flavor and custard and sweetness, you know, to the French toast. Nobody wants egg bread with some syrup on it. I don't.
No, who wants that?
Not here for it.
I'm here for this.
Yes. Amen. All right, so I'm gonna make me a plate, literally the exact same thing, and
Well, you guys.
yeah. We killed this in like 5 minutes. Why was it so delicious? Hey guys, so you know Jarrell, he's just been like eating pistachios all day. We're gonna eat dinner later, but I'm just gonna have a little bit of these Parm Crisps. These are the Wisps. I actually need to get some more of these because they're almost gone. Wisps, the Parm Crisps from Costco. And these are only 1 carb per serving, 23 crisps, which this is not 23 crisps. But I always try to portion control it because if I take this whole bag, then I'm probably going to eat this whole bag. So here's a little snacky snack. I'm so excited for dinner tonight, though. All right, you guys. So Jarrell just asked me to make one of my famous keto margaritas. So the things that I use is obviously tequila. This is powdered monk fruit sweetener. You can use Lakanto or there's a bunch of varieties out there. A little bit of lime juice and some sparkling lime water.
There's limes in the fridge too.
And some lime. So I'll put some fresh limes in there too. So yeah, it's a mixture of this. Quick pro tip. If you have limes that aren't going to give you much juice, just roll it on your cutting board and it will get juicier. Here you go, babe.
Thank you. Yum.
That's like your favorite drink. Well, one of your favorite
One of my
drinks.
favorite drinks is margaritas, but you know, haven't been able to get any really since
Yeah.
we're in quarantine. But he makes great ones, and that's good. Very good. Tangy, sweet, and it has a kick.
Just like you like.
Yeah,
And
there's
there's salt.
lime. And there's salt. I love, I love salt.
He does. Salt and lime, his favorite. Dinner time. So this is a keto chicken lo mein that I made yesterday. Comment down below if you guys want a recipe for this, but it's with the soy noodles and chicken and cabbage and soy. It's just like amazing. And then this, if you've ever had cheese wontons or crab rangoon, this is that version in a fathead dough pizza, which is also keto. So we had this last night. We know that it's...
Yeah, we know what it tastes like. But
Yes,
we like
but
it.
It's like... Totally gave me my, like... It tastes like Panda Express.
Exactly, because we haven't had Chinese in a while.
Yeah.
You know, so...
It, like, gives that whole vibe, which I...
Totally does not make me miss Panda Express, because this is my own Panda Express in a bowl.
Obsessed. We may come back... I don't know. We might have a keto bar later. We'll let you know if we do. But for now, this is dinner. All right, guys. So we are going to have one of these sea salt keto. You saw us get these. They're 2 net carbs, and they are delicious. Found at Costco. So this is the end of our full day of keto eating. By the way, this is what the bars look like. They're literally an amazing size. Like they're the size of a regular,
Like Haagen-Dazs bar?
yeah, like a Haagen-Dazs bar. And they're so good. They're definitely like his favorite because you know he's an ice cream guy. No, I was saying how like I probably like the cereal more than you do because I like cereal more than you. And your ice cream is his jam. And the great thing about this is it's also portion control. You know exactly what you're getting. You can't overeat this. It's 2 net carbs unless you eat more than 1, which we have never done. Anyway, thank you guys so much. If you guys enjoyed these videos, make sure that you guys like, comment. We love getting your comments. Subscribe, tell your friends. It's at BoosCruize. That's at BoosCruize. Look at him. Let's see him over there dropping chocolate.
Z because you're worth it.
Z because you're worth it. E. And make sure you look down in the description box for discounts on the Equip and any of the other of our favorite keto products. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.